Lake Houston. We've got a nice fire pit here. Definitely gonna be utilizing that tonight. Oh, that's cool. We're in a tornado watch. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. I'm gonna keep that thought to myself. I don't know if I'm gonna bring her camping again. But also, I think if I bring her more, she'll get accustomed to it and chill out a little bit. So she's just a curious puppy. But it is more annoying than it is peaceful right now. This is not going. Alright, just giving you guys an update. You hear the rain? Actually, I've never had eggs without seasoning, and they're not bad. So good. We're gonna go for a little hike, but I'm not gonna record it